Okay. This is Wakefield Hospital. Some modern Schindlers. This is level 3. Okay, that's confusing. Capacity 2,500 kgs, 33 persons.
Floor 5, door opening. Door closing.
Oh, you can go to 2. One's locked. Here, so we have a side panel as well. Vetro indicators.
Floor 2, door opening.
Okay, you can't open the other side. Logic cabinets on 2. Oh, there's a third lift. Another lift here, look. Wasn't even... Oh, that must be a service lift. Because it's locked off.
Lift is going up. Door closing. Floor 5, door opening.
I think we'll stop up here. There we go. And that's it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then you can visit my channel and see over 1,000 more videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. You can also follow me on Instagram, where you can see more exclusive, fresh and original content.